Shifting focus to the ultimate poll-bound and political battleground at this given point, the state of what Bihar, where it is just 4 more days for the phase 1 polling to begin. And there is a war of words that is taking a fishy turn in this state. In Begusarai, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi made quite the splash. From diving into a pond, catching fish with locals, to taking a hand pump bath in Bhara village, it was a day straight out of a campaign reel. Is Rahul's pond plan just rural connect or a calculated political stroke ahead of Bihar's big battle? That remains to be the question. And to throw her insights onto this very question, we have Maushami Singh, our colleague, joining us. Maushami, a very good afternoon to you. You've been on the ground for months now before the elections, in fact, before the campaigning even began in the state. It's the last stage at the very end of the campaigning. The entire day's activities that we saw, as we just mentioned, it seems right out of a reel. And there are several, local activities that Rahul Gandhi could be seen participating in, maybe in a last bid to connect to the people out there.
So clearly it is a political message that Rahul Gandhi is wanting to give. Earlier we saw that he was with the makhana growers and, trying to learn how makhana is made. And this time round, when he's come to Khagaria for a rally, post that we see visuals of him going with the fishermen community. That's a very politically potent and influential community that belongs to the EBC that comprise almost 36% in Bihar. And the Congress is staunchly trying to woo that community. They've got Mukesh Sahani, who hails from that community, the Malla community, who calls himself the son of Malla. He's already in the Mahagathbandhan. So there Rahul Gandhi, sending a loud and clear political message that not only do we stand with the community, but we understand the problems that they are confronted with. We see that Rahul Gandhi is on that boat and then he takes a dip in the pond, trying to understand how the fishermen really work, what is their schedule like, and what difficulties they face. So clearly, and on the other hand, you have the Prime Minister campaigning in Ara district, and thereby, also taking out a roadshow of sorts. So it's basically a high-octane battle being fought in Bihar.
Absolutely, Maushami. It is definitely a high-stakes battle that we see in Bihar, and both sides, both camps, the NDA and the Mahagathbandhan, have in fact been very active, especially today with rallies planned across the state, be it Prime Minister Modi, be it Rahul Gandhi, or even Tejashwi Yadav. So yes, thank you for bringing us all those details at this point. And viewers, we have been looking at and tracking this very fierce political battle for days now.